Back again 2 weeks down the line. What have I been up to and what have I got for you this time? Two great things. I made the dumbest guitar and I've made a guide to doing it. It is literally this. Anybody who really makes guitars is going to be saying, oh, for God's sake, Gavin, you've had the training, you've been to Crimson, why are you making this? Well, because I wanted to. It's important that everybody can make something. So hopefully there's probably about a 10-12 minute video coming up which shows you how you can make this, and you need no proper tools or skills, as I prove. Also, I've got a wonderful little how I made a dust extractor video, 1.5 minutes long. Apart from that, everything's going rather groovy. The weather's got better, which is nicer. It's a bit cooler here. I've been doing, unfortunately, lots of cementing and paving, which is nothing to do with guitars. On top of that, coming up is the guitar show on 21st, 22nd in London. If you've been to the Birmingham one, it's not as big as that at all. However, it's a lot more local for me, so I'll be down there. If you see me, say hi, I'll say hi back, and that'll be cool. I may have a shorter beard by then, as it's gotten rather sort of wispy. Needs a trim, so off to Nick's Barbers in Northampton, I think. In the meantime, what does this sound like? Well, I've got an amp, I need a slide and a pick. Just one moment. Yeah, we're going to do something fun. We're going to make the dumbest, simplest electric stringed instrument you can. It's basically a diddly bow. So what you need for this: a length of boring BSW CLS, a bridge of some kind. I found a 3-string bridge on eBay. At the same time, I found a 3-string pickup. Small section of 15.5mm aluminium square, some pencils, big old ruler, square, and an output jack. So, first things first, what length? Doesn't really matter. We're all going to work out the maths a bit later on. Next thing is what I've already done, and I'm sorry I missed out on it, which is cut a section into the wood. So I drew that on there, cut it off, This section here is going to be the headstock, that way up. Then I've got to cut it into a bit of a shape and sand it off. What do you think I should do to expand upon this next? 6-string version? 10-string version? Certainly a better pickup and some, you know, volume and tone knobs might be better. This was just a wonderful attempt of stupidity at its most basic level. Got a few more jobs to do for next time, so definitely repairing a bass guitar for a customer. They want a complete new look and a nice setup. That'll be fun. I'm probably might be playing around with the ukulele next time as well. Don't know what you think. I think everybody should be given at age 5 a ukulele. Unfortunately, the build quality on them is a bit poor, so let's see what we can do to improve that. Until next time, take care. One more thing, anybody who hasn't read that book yet, thank you to Cody and Craig for recommending me that. It's The Monkey Wrench Gang. Brilliant. It's about environmental activists. Good stuff. Anyway, see you at the guitar show, or if not, see you sooner. Bye now.